Hey guys, so in this video we will be fixing up the tuning up the old Rustmobile here, or the, what was it called? We'll be fixing up the old Partsmobile. So last year I used it, and I was supposed to oil the chain like the start of the year. I never did that, and it was squeaky all summer. And so now I'm going to be fixing up and see how much better it runs. As you can see in here, my bike works completely perfectly, but we're gonna make it even more perfect. Alright, so the first step in achieving a perfect bike is you gotta put some good old muck off on the chain here. To make it nice and good. Alright, so it should be about good. The goal is to not have a squeaky chain, because it did before. So basically 3 things to tune up your bike in the spring so it runs perfectly all summer long and into the fall. You gotta have a good chain, gotta make sure your brakes work, and you gotta make sure it's shifting well if it is a bike that has gears. So just clean up the chain here quickly. Should not take very long. Pretty rusty. And now gotta oil the chain, obviously, with some Purple Extreme, as you can see. Should last 400 plus miles between applications, so as much as I ride in a year, it's probably enough for an entire year, in theory. I only really ride to and from school and the gym and a couple other places, but not really. So let's oil the chain. I think it's coming out. Oh yeah, very oily. Should be about the whole chain by now. So now it's oiled up, just gotta clean it off, and then should be running smoothly, as you can see. Ooh. Bad. Oh, the chain came off. What a dance. Boy. There we go. Good as new now. So next step, gotta make sure that the brakes work. I think they work pretty good, but we'll just have to look and make sure. It should be about good though. As you can see, it's shifting just as good as it did last year, so that's great. Yeah, the chain's not squeaky anymore, so I think my bike's in perfect condition. So yeah, it rides quite smooth, and should be ready for another great year.